To do a bunny hop, you've got to lift the bike up. And you've only got your hands and your feet to do it. And I want you to stand at the side of the bike like this. Put your feet on the pedal, and then use the pedal, use your foot to lift up the back wheel. So I'm not doing anything with my hands. I've got the bike, and let's see if you can see it on this angle. I've got the bike, got my foot on the pedal, and just lifting the bike up with your pedal. All right, that's one side. Let's step on the bike now. Do the same thing. Foot on the pedal, and just lifting the back wheel. So you've got to really push against the pedal, push, and maybe push your handlebars forwards as well with your hands. So you've got to push against the pedal and lift the back of the bike up, and with the other foot as well. Let's push against the pedal, see, and you can lift the bike up. The next part involves doing it while you're moving. So we're going to ride along, and that same thing, maybe even if you lean against the handlebars and lift up the back wheel. Just with your feet, lean against the handlebars and lifting up the back wheel. Just like that, leaning against the handlebars and lift up the back wheel. There we go. And when you get good at that, try and do it without leaning against the handlebars. So you're just going to roll along, and then you're just going to lift up the back wheel without leaning against the handlebars, lifting up the back wheel. And you can see, watch my feet as they change angles and I'm lifting. They go like that, from there to there to there. Watch my feet, here we go. And lift. And it's like, if you can imagine, bird's feet claw around the branch to hold on. That's kind of what you're doing with your pedal, using your toes and your feet to curl around the pedal so you can lift up the back wheel. So now you're a master at lifting up the back wheel. What about the front wheel? So lifting up the front wheel, remember, you got to lift and then pull. So you compress, lift and pull. Compress, lift and pull. Let's try it rolling. Compress, lift and pull. Compress, lift and pull. And it's just timing, you've got to practice. And with practice, you'll get the timing. Simple as that. All right, so we've got the back wheel, we lift. And we've got the front wheel, bend, lift and pull. All right, so you can see what's going to happen next. Can you do it with both at the same time? So you're going to bend down, you're going to lift up the back wheel with your feet and compress, lift and pull with your front. Let's see what happens. Go down and you can get both wheels off the ground. And because we all know it helps when you make noises. So that's kind of it. And if there are other ways, but right now, wouldn't worry about them. There are other ways we can go front wheel and then back wheel and down. But as a start, just going to go up and lift your wheels off the ground. Practice that. Practice just going over something that's really small to start off with, like something that's not going to knock you off the bike if you hit it. So I wouldn't go up a gutter just yet, but I'd maybe go over a thong or a little rock or a sock. Right along and bend. So front wheel, then back wheel. You got to go practice this one first. Right along, lift up the front wheel. So it's not a like that, it's a whoa, like that. Whoa. using your feet to pull up the back wheel. Just like that. Realistically, you can bunny hop. Whoa, that was a big gust of wind. You can bunny hop as high as you can jump. Whatever you get the front wheel over, you can get the back wheel over. So you jump and then lift and then down. Awesome. Remember to keep practicing because you'll get really good at it.